Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to talk about how I'm making money online and what my plans are moving forward. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you might have seen my income reports on different various platforms such as KDP, Etsy and blogging. I also showed a video of that I got demonetized on one of my YouTube channels. So what are my plans moving forward? Where am I making the most money and how I plan to make more money? So if you're new here, welcome. Feel free to check out some of my videos. I upload different videos about how to make money on different platforms using printables, books and pretty much that, yeah, so printables and that. Feel free, I share like niche ideas and research and that. But this channel isn't monetized. It's not making me any money. It makes me the odd affiliate marketing, but not much. I don't promote much stuff and I don't push it down your throat. So very transparent. I just do what, I'm not an expert, I just do what I'm learning and I share it with you guys. So feel free to check out some of the videos and watch as many as you want so I can try and get monetized. I've got over 1,000 subscribers, just not got the watch time. Yeah, so I've got quite a few different YouTube channels, but there's only two of ones apart from this one that I bother with. One's Movies Games Beyond, which is the one what just got demonetized. It was my biggest earner online and now it's not making anything. I upload videos about movies, different like top 10, best of, different genres, different topics guys. Yeah, my plan with this is to keep uploading guys. I will eventually get it monetized again. It's like a roundabout. It keeps getting monetized, then demonetized, monetized, demonetized. Hopefully it'll get to that stage where it's just monetized. Yeah, so that's my plan for this. I'm going to get it. I'm going to keep uploading videos. Try to upload as many as I can a week. And yeah, that's my plan. That's my goal. That's my plan for that. My other channel is the Christmas Everyday Club. This one is also movie related, but it's just all about Christmas movies. So what I've been doing is like different actors and actresses from the Hallmark and GAC family network. I create videos about them. Yeah, so like Jesse Metcalfe's Christmas movies, Merritt Patterson's Christmas movies. Then also like I've just started a Christmas movie challenge. Also there's free Christmas movies and that. So yeah, feel free if you like Christmas guys. Come and check these out guys. You might find one of your favourite actors or actresses, and if there's anyone you want to see, let me know. This one I'm just going to keep uploading because hopefully when it comes towards Christmas it will get a bit of a boost and more people will start watching videos. Hopefully get this one monetized and that. Yeah, my website is also Christmas Everyday Club, so as you can see there's a theme here. Yeah, this is it's making money on AdSense and it's also making money on Ezoic. Not much. If you want to check out the income, I've made a video. Just search for it with one of the new ones. And yeah, my plan is this. I upload a blog post every single day, or I try to at least. I create free colouring pages, which I show on my Make Money with Jay channel, YouTube channel. I also make printables like activity pages and printable party games, and I show you them as well, guys. They're all free. There's lots of free stuff on this site. If you want to check it out, feel free. It helped me out a lot, guys. Yeah. So my goal for this is just keep uploading blog posts. Keep uploading. And the more I upload, hopefully the more traffic I get, which makes the more revenue I get, which makes my income report will be up. And yeah, now my Etsy shop, let me see if I can find it. Yeah, this is my Etsy shop, Christmas Everyday Club. A lot of my printables are Christmas related, and last Christmas I got a big boost. I made a good bit of income, nothing groundbreaking but good. Yeah guys, and yeah, I show what I'm creating over on my Make Money with Jay. I'm just going to keep uploading this, and then hopefully come Q4 it'll get a bit of another boost and we'll do good again guys. Yeah, and then the same with my Amazon KDP. If I can find it. Yeah, no, hold a minute. Wrong one. Yeah, So Amazon KDP, Christmas every day, yeah, same, all again. Different books I've uploaded, and I've not uploaded that many, to be fair, recently. A lot of them are Christmas related, and that's my goal. My goal is to just keep uploading on Amazon. I'm going to need to start creating new books. I've not made any new books for ages, guys, so I'm going to make new books for Amazon KDP. I'm going to try not to just make Christmas ones. So I'm going to keep uploading anyway. I'm going to start that now. That's going to be my main priority, making more books. Same with the printables on Etsy. I'm going to make more printables. I will share what I create, how I create them, where I create them on this channel here. This is where I do everything. This is like my main headquarters kind of thing. So I do everything here. I share freebies, I share what I'm making, how they're doing. And that's my goal, guys. Everything I pretty much do is all linked together towards the Christmas Everyday brand. That's my main goal. And so I'm trying to grow the blog post. I'm just going to keep uploading posts and hopefully make more in AdSense. I will eventually start putting more affiliate marketing links on the web pages, but once I start getting a bit more traffic. Same with on here. I'm going to just keep uploading on here as and when I create the videos. And yeah, so that's it, guys. That is my business plan. My goal for the month is to make at least 4 new books on Amazon. Yeah, at least 10 printables on Etsy, and blog posts is well, I'm trying to upload every single day. My videos on YouTube, they're the most time consuming, and I'm going to aim for at least 2 a week. Yeah, so 8 a month on both channels. Yeah, so that's 16 videos. It's a lot of work, guys. Let's I'm just going to write this down. Yeah, so I've got 4 books. Yeah, so 4 books, 16 videos, 10 printables, and then obviously the blog post. I'm going to create one a day, and I'm also going to try to add affiliate marketing into it, guys. Yeah, same with on here. I might add some affiliate marketing products on here, but my goal for the month is 4 books for Amazon KDP, 10 printables for Etsy, and 16 videos divided by 2, so 8 on each channel. My Movies, Games Beyond channel and my Christmas Everyday Club channel. Yeah, guys, so feel free to come back with my next business plan, income report, etc., and see if I've hit my goals, guys. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. I deserve it. But till next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.